Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see a simple electronic project, electronic thermometer. This is a handy instrument which indicates the temperature in form of bar graph. 10 LEDs which lights up in equal 10 steps of a selected full scale. The circuit can be calibrated by comparison with digital temperature meter. The unit is capable of measuring wide temperature range. Now let us see how it works. We will give 9 volt DC supply to the circuit and let us see. It is showing the room temperature. Now we will increase the temperature of the sensor with the help of gun. Now you can see as the temperature of the sensor increases, the array of the LED are increasing. You can see the increase in the increasing array. Now I will remove the gun so that the temperature of the sensor goes on decreasing. It is going on decreasing and will reach the room temperature as the sensor cools down. Now let us see the circuit diagram. IC2 is LM35 temperature sensor provides an output voltage directly proportionate to the degree Celsius temperature. That means at 0 degree the output voltage will be 0 and there will be 10 millivolt increase in the voltage for every 1 degree rise in the temperature. Pin 1 and 3 are supply terminals and pin 2 is output of the IC2. IC1 LM3914 is dot or bar display driver used in dot mode. The signal from the pin 2 of IC2 is fed to pin 5. The resistance R2 controls the LED current. P1 preset is used to calibrate the scale. The reference voltage of the chip is between pin 7 and pin 8. LM3914 drives array of 10 LEDs which lights up in equal 10 steps of the selected full scale. The circuit can be calibrated by comparison with digital temperature meter. Now let us see the part list. PCB MK-022 component side quantity 1. PCB MK-022 track side quantity 1 number. IC1 LM3914 LED driver quantity 1 number with socket. IC2 LM35 temperature sensor quantity 1. D1 to D10 3 mm red LED quantity 10 number. R1 100K CFR resistor quantity 1 number. R2 1K CFR resistor quantity 1 number. P1 47K preset quantity 1 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 922550142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.